Now we're live. We're online. We're recording right now. So if I press play, I've gotten everything. So I took yesterday after school, started working on it. I would make my Windows Media Player visible false. The user doesn't have to see that. I'll bury that. But I try to go through every scenario. PHS is the winner. Again, look at the message box. I got VB exclamation. I got a title. I've said that many times. And loyalty plays. And this became visible true. Now I hit reset. Oh, look what I should do. Now I found another glitch. What happened? The music should stop. I better add that to my coding. So then, of course, the counter, 1-0, good. Let me try fremd. I better test. Fremd. Pick player. That's the default. Let me go to FHS goes first. Notice what happened. Now that I pick fremd going first, I can't go back and select. FHS is the winner. Play again. Everything cleared out, 1-1. I don't have to stop the music there. It's only a 2-second clip. So I'm okay. Oh, another glitch. What's my glitch?
Pick player isn't enabled.
Pick player isn't enabled. So it's still fremd going first. Or now it's Palatine by the default. So I got to make those things. If I start... here's something, right? What should I have done?
Pick player.
Right, pick player. I can still go through and change FHS. So I better make it so the second the game starts, this is only enabled when you start the game. The second you click in here, this should be disabled. I did it once if you pick that first, but I didn't do it once they click in a box. So I have 3 glitches I have to work. The reset button. There it is. A little bit different than the one that you could download because nothing is a command in Visual Basic 10. So I go through all 9 boxes. Image TTT1.image equals nothing. Image TTT2.image equals nothing. Before I think I said, I had blank. I had this blank one. Now I found out I don't need this. So before in good old Visual Basic 6, I was basically putting a blank image into all of them. I don't need it anymore. Nothing works. So thanks to Keaton for teaching me that. So that's gone. I set the counter back to 0. So it's the very first guess. Turn is 0, which I believe is Palatine. Starts first. The tags, because they have tags of PHS and FHS, I go back to what they were in the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Otherwise, you could have such and such as a winner at the very beginning because you forgot to put those back in. I make all of the lines invisible, those yellow lines, so all 8 of them, visible false. Oh, that's what I need. Make the music stop. So I did have it there. Make the Menustrip enable true so I could pick a player again. And it is here. I made it in green because I have to rename it. Controls.stop. So when loyalty is playing, I just got to remember the name of the object that I used for Windows Media. WMP fight song. So I'll go here, WMP fight song. There. So now when I press reset, the music will stop as well. So I just fixed one of my glitches. But all of that is your reset button and anything else you might have. Now, is that the most efficient way? Probably not. I know, especially this right here. There's loops to do that. That's really redundant. Go through each one individually. You should be able to write 3 lines to take care of that. A for next loop from 1 to 9, make each one empty. So it should be automated. But yeah, this is what I would call the ghetto way. Going through each one. Same with this. If I would have numbered these, named these better as an array, I could have gone through, hey, just make 0 through 8 visible false so that they all turn off. But I went through and made each one because of the way I named them. But this is why you have arrays or matrices, is to eliminate these kind of redundant coding. So I probably could have narrowed that to, like I said, 3 lines. I bet you in 3 lines, I can squeeze that. I can squeeze this into 3 lines. I can squeeze that into 3 lines of coding. But again, it works for me for now. The menu strip, pick player. What did I do? Well, if they pick PHS, well, turn equals 0. 0 turn means PHS, 1 turn means friend. And then I make this, the menu strip enabled false. If you pick friend first, turn equals 1. Make that menu item enable false. I also want this line the second the game starts. So I probably want to copy and paste this line, Control C, and put it right at the very top. Right there. So regardless of which one of the 9 blocks, the 9 boxes you click on, it's just going to disable that. So you can't go back and change. So I don't go to pick player. So by default, it's going to Palatine. I click here, bingo, it's disabled. I can't go back and change. Hopefully that doesn't cause. So I fixed 2 of my 3 glitches. PHS is the winner. Loyalty is playing. Will it stop? Good. So I think my game is done. All I'm going to do is make this visible false. And I'll just work on any cosmetic stuff to make it look very good. Any questions? I think that's it.